Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to download Tawk.To application. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic, we will show you how to download the app Tawk.To. Tawk.To application is a free live chat app that lets you monitor and chat with your website visitors. You can have unlimited agents and add them to unlimited sites so that they can communicate with your visitors without any limitations. So, to download your Tawk.To application for your Android, you must go to your Play Store on your device and then tap open a Play Store on your device. In the search box, you have to enter Tawk.To and then search, and therefore tap open this app and tap on the install button you see. Once you have downloaded and installed this application freely, you can tap open this application and start using Tawk.To on your device. Therefore, in this way you can download the Tawk.To application on your device. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them to us in the comment section below.